Welcome to Landtohouse. I'm Seth. For the past almost 10 years, I've been walking around in the creek with sandals or tennis shoes on, doing micro hydro or hydraulic ram pumps. And it's past time that I start wearing some water boots. So Hisea saw my videos and asked that I would try out a pair of their boots. So that's what we're going to do here in this video. I'm going to give you a close-up of these, and then we will start walking around in the creek and also head down to the pond and see how they do up even higher. So let's take a closer look at the Hisea water boot. Let's open up the box here. They do give you a little waterproof case. You can either put your fishing license in there or your cell phone as you wade around in the creek. So let's go ahead and pull the boots out. I got size 44, which is supposed to fit my between 10.5 and 11 size shoe, or foot I should say. So let's go ahead and unpack the little air packet that keeps these inflated. All right, so you can see it's got the Hisea logo right there. It is neoprene up top, and then down below is rubber, and it seems to have a decent bit of tread here on the bottom, and it's got the 44 right there for the size. And then up here on the top, you've got the loop on the back, so you can pull that to pull your boot up. So that's pretty much what we got. So typically, I would wear a 10.5 or 11. So let's see if this 44 is what I need. Yeah, it's pretty close. I could have dropped down one size on that, but I think this is going to do pretty good. I'm not exactly going to be walking around a lot in these, so should be good. Okay, the very first thing I'm noticing with the fit is that the calf is actually decently tight. I have little toothpick legs, and that's actually doing pretty good. So if your leg was much bigger than that, it might have more of a stretch, but for my little legs, it's doing pretty good. It does go up almost to the knee, and fits decently good. I think I probably could have gone one size smaller, but it would have been close. I might just wear a slightly thicker sock and be good to go. Looks like the loop in the back is actually designed to be used to pull these on, and then you can just tuck it in out of the way. It's reflective though, so when you're walking down the road, that can help people to see you. So that's a good thing. I stepped down here to the cascading ponds. It's going to be a good spot to jump into the water and see how well these boots work. I've actually done several of my YouTube videos down here and typically get wet feet, so it's going to be interesting to see how well these do. I anticipate them to do just fine, at least up to the neoprene there. So let's go ahead and step down a bit and see how that does. Still doing good. I have a feeling if I step down one more, it would sink pretty significantly. I'm going to step down here, and then I'm going to see what happens if I go a little bit further down. All right, so I'm pretty close to the edge of the boots there. So far, so good. Still waterproof. Yeah, let's go with the other one. Yeah, all right, nice. I've had this GoPro for many a year now and have never put it in the water, so we're about to find out how well it does being submerged. I just stepped up to the top pond here. I think I can walk a little bit more on this spot, just get a little bit deeper than the previous test. So yeah, so far these boots have been totally waterproof. think I might stand here for a second. So my feet tend to blister just by saying the word blister, and I can tell that because these boots are just ever so slightly too big for my feet, I would blister up if I wore them around walking too far. The left one seems to fit a little bit better, which is odd because my left calf is way smaller than my right one, but then my foot seems to fit better in this boot. But as far as standing in the creek, I think it's going to be good. I've worn these boots now for 3 different days out in the water, and I wanted to mention the fit and feel. So the sole is thick enough that I'm not really feeling rocks and things underneath, which is a good thing. The comfortable factor, I definitely have to wear some thicker socks with them. I got maybe one size too big, but my foot is known for blistering up fairly easily, so I wouldn't want to do a long distance hike with these, but as far as walking around in the creek, no problem whatsoever. And the traction is good enough that I'm not really slipping around. So everything about them seems to work just fine. If you're about to purchase, be sure to check the description box. I have a discount code for you. It works site-wide, whether you're getting some of the boots or the waders or any of the other products that Hisea has available. Okay, that's my first look at the Hisea Rain Boot. Yeah, I left the tag on that one. So the boot is waterproof all the way up to the top, and you kind of get a little bit warm in there with that neoprene. So the 44 is a US 11, and I probably could have, I guess, managed to get a 10. Since there's no half sizes in these boots, we went with the one size up. So perhaps they're just a little bit big, but I like them. So like I said before, I have always just waded the creek with sandals on, but there are times you just want to have dry feet. So definitely going to put these to use. You'll probably see me wearing these for the rest of the summer as I'm down doing ram pump stuff. All right, if you want to check out these boots, I have links in the description down below. The company did send this pair to me to try out, so I guess this is kind of a sponsored video, but I do want to try these out throughout the summer and maybe give you an update on how they're doing. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth with Landtohouse, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.